matplotlib mathtext \frac is too small. When I give matplotlib an annotation string such as and I specify a font size of 18, the A and B are rendered at 12.6 pints, while the C is rendered at 18 pints. I want A, B, and C to all be the same size. How do I do this? In a latex document, if you give the commands, you get a fraction, where A, B, and C are all the same size, but if you do inline with text, you get the A and B rendered at 12.6 pints, while the C is rendered at 18 pints. Thus it appears matplotlib's mattext is emulating latex's inline mode. In latex you can write and then A, B, and C are all the same size, even in inline mode. I tried this in matplotlib, but mattext did not recognize the command \displaystyle equals. Is there a way to get this to work in matplotlib's mattext, or am I stuck changing text.useText to true in my matplotlib file? If possible, I would like to stay with mattext since it is a lot faster. My setup: matplotlib v1 2.0, Python 2.7, OS X 10.8.
For anyone stumbling on this and also not wanting to set text.useText to true, matplotlib now supports the \frac macro, equivalent to \displaystyle \frac in latex, to replace \frac since version 2.1.
As you said, you can fix it by using \displaystyle. In order to allow matplotlib to use latex for all text handling, you have to define in your matplotlib the text.useText variable as true. I made a little example to verify it and it is working well. I am sorry, but since I am new, I cannot post any image.